Okay. On the count of 3, we're going to see which one can handle the cinnamon challenge better. 1, 2, 3. Did you swallow it already? You gotta swallow it. What's wrong, Sonia? What the hell did I tell you? She sounds like she's ready to throw up. Have you swallowed it yet?
Making it a taste.
You see what the trick was, Sylvia? You're supposed to make it into a
Hey. There you go, dude.